We're going to learn letters today with Elmo in his bathroom. This is Elmo's bathtub. He loves to take bubble baths. They help relax him. What does bath start with? Ba-ba-ba. B. There's a letter B inside the tub. A blue B. The word bubbles also starts with B. Now Elmo is at the sink, where he brushes his teeth and washes his hands before he eats, when he uses the bathroom. And sink starts with the letter S. S. There's an orange S in the cupboard. What other words in the bathroom start with S? How about soap? Now we are at the potty. Oh, Elmo, we shouldn't leave the lid up. What does potty start with? Pa-pa-pa. P. A purple P. Good job, Elmo. We have one more letter to learn. It's Kitty, and she is a cat. Cat starts with the letter C. Please support our channel by hitting the link below to subscribe. Thank you and goodbye. Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. Today our Sesame Street toys are at the pool. It's our Playmobil pool. And it already has some water in it. There's a big orange slide. Oh, and the kiddie pool, it's empty. It's not open today. Now, all of our toys want to go in the pool, but Oscar, you can't go in with your trash can. It will get rusty. And Slimy the worm can't go in either because he doesn't have hands or legs to swim. So Oscar won't be going in the pool today. What about Cookie Monster? Cookie Monster can't stop eating cookies. Sorry, Cookie Monster, there is no food allowed in the pool. You'll have to stay outside of the pool and eat your cookies. Nom nom nom. And then we have Bert and Ernie. Oh, oops. Ernie brought his rubber ducky, but they didn't bring their bathing suits. And you can't wear your clothes in the pool, Bert and Ernie. I guess they're just going to have to stand at the side and watch their friends go in. Now what about Big Bird? Big Bird has feathers, and some birds go in water, like ducks or geese. But what about Big Bird's size? I think he's too big for the pool. The water only goes up to his knees. And he's too tall for the shower. Sorry, Big Bird. You are too big to use this pool. And that leaves us with Elmo. Elmo, can you fit inside the shower? Oh, excuse us, Oscar. He's just the right size. Elmo is the only Sesame Street character that can go in the pool today. Elmo's going to climb into the pool instead of jumping because it's too shallow to jump. There's the red ladder to go down into the water. He likes to dive under the water and hold his breath, and he also likes to float on his back and look at the sky. Oh, the slide is open. Let's go up, Elmo. Elmo goes up the ladder very carefully so he doesn't fall. He uses both hands. When he gets to the top, whoa, he can't believe how high up he is. He says hi to all of his friends below. Hi, guys. Hi, Elmo. We can see you. Let's go down. Poor Elmo, he wishes his friends could join him in the pool today. He still had fun going down the slide. And thank you so much for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye.
Tiny treasures and toys. Please subscribe.
Hola and welcome to Tiny Treasures. We are here with Dora and she's going to be reading a story with us today, and she will sit in her cute little wooden rocking chair, the perfect size for Dora. And this Dora doll talks. Let's push the button and see what she says.
Backpack always has what we need for an adventure. Hello, Backpack. Hola, Mochila. Let's say it 2 ways. Hello, hola.
And we are going to read a story about colors today, Tiny fans. Dora the Explorer. Let's find colors. Today's story is called Dora the Explorer. Let's find colors. And we're going to find colors as well in the garden because flowers have so many different colors. And there is Dora with her map, her purple backpack, and boots. Let's read our story. Hola, soy Dora. This is my best friend Boots. Today we are on a color adventure. Look, there are yellow and purple butterflies. Amarillo y morado. Mira, rabbits. The rabbits have pink ears. Brown fur and fluffy white tails. Rosa, marron y blanco. Look, 2 birds flying in the sky. One is blue and the other is black. Azul y negro. Boots is hopping with the frog. Hop, hop, hop. Hey, the frog is green and the flowers are red and orange. Verde, rojo y naranja. Hooray! We found colors everywhere. Thanks for coming on our color adventure. Adios! Now let's go out to the garden and see the beautiful colored flowers and see if you can remember the colors in Spanish.
Say it with me. La Aventura. Adventure.
Here are some yellow flowers in Spanish. Amarillo. And some beautiful pink flowers. Rosa. Orange. Naranja. Red. Rojo. White. Blanco. And we didn't find any blue flowers, but a beautiful blue butterfly landed on Tiny Treasures Minnie's hand. Blue is azul. And we didn't find any green flowers either. Usually leaves are green, but we found this beautiful green parrot that was saying hello to me. Green is verde. We hope you had fun learning today, and thank you so much for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye.
Tiny treasures and toys. Please subscribe.
Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. We're going for a walk in the beautiful forest and we are going to search for mushrooms. They grow in wet places. And in fall, it's very wet. They come in all shapes and sizes. But remember, mushrooms can be poisonous, which means they can make you sick. If you see a mushroom in your yard or the forest, do not touch, do not pick, and do not eat. We just have a look. Bluey and her family are with us today, and these orange mushrooms are a very interesting shape. They are some of the biggest mushrooms we see in the forest. We walk a little farther, and Bluey has found these little gray mushrooms. One has turned upside down and has a broken stem. This underside part of the mushroom is called the gills. Bluey wants to throw a yellow leaf into the creek. Now let's go to the other side of the bridge and see if we can spot it. There it is, it's under the water. Do you see it, tiny fans? Someone has built a fort in the forest out of sticks from the ground. That would have taken a lot of work. I wonder if one person built it or many. Let's look at the inside. It's called a shelter. Can protect you from the rain. There's a little bridge someone made. It's made of sticks. When I look back at the path, the sun is shining through, and the warmth of the sun is causing some steam or mist that's coming off the trees and the ground. It's absolutely beautiful. I pause and take a deep breath. Do you see Bluey's nose? She has found some very unusual looking mushrooms. They look like coral under the sea. I've never seen these mushrooms before. There are 3 clumps of them, all in a row. Bluey finds this green fungus growing on a stump. They look like coral too. Look at these little mushrooms. They look like miniature umbrellas. And these are teeny tiny little mushrooms. Look at the spider crawling up the twig. Where do you think it's going? Will it climb onto Bluey's mom? It's climbing one of the teeny tiny mushrooms. Look at this mushroom. It has a hole in the top. I wonder if it was eaten by another animal, or maybe it was just stepped on. These mushrooms are very bright in color. They're like an orangey yellow. And this mushroom is huge. Bingo looks so tiny sitting next to it. These are the most interesting mushrooms. This one looks like it has legs. They are a very different shape. There's fungus growing all over these tree trunks. We are at the end of our walk. Poppy is dirty and it's time to go home. I think we'll need to give Poppy a bath tonight. He even has a few pieces of branches hanging from his fur. We sure hope you enjoyed our video today. We're here to ask our fans for some help. Did you know only 15% of our fans have subscribed to Tiny Treasures? So you can help us by pushing the subscribe button and subscribe to our channel. It helps us get recognized by YouTube when we gain subscribers. That way we can continue to make fun learning videos every single day. And for those fans who have already subscribed to our channel, a great big thank you. Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. We have our rare Tinky Winky talking piggy bank with a little bunny rabbit sitting beside him. And he's on a hill with flowers. there is a slot for the coins. I always teach my kids it's important to save your money, and putting it in a piggy bank is one way to do that. So there's a little yellow button and an on-off switch and a little circle on the bottom that you can take your money out after you've put it in. So let's test it out. Oh, it's not working. Let's see, maybe we can put a coin in and it'll work. I've got some European coins, and there is a quarter, American quarter, and a dime, which is 10 cents, a nickel, which is 5 cents, and a penny, which is 1 cent. And then let's see, we've got a 50 pence and a 5 cent. There is a 20 pence and 2 euros. And this is when we went on our Europe trip. Remember, tiny fans? Let's put our 25 cents in and our dime, our 5 cents nickel, and our penny. Every penny counts. Well, now I still can't get Tinky Winky. Oh! There we go. Tinky Winky's belly lights up and he waves. And the little bunny hops back and forth. And please support our channel, Tiny Fans, and hit the link below to subscribe. Thank you and goodbye.